In this video, I want to show you how to run RSelenium on Google Cloud. First, you need to update your R on Google Cloud using the most recent version, and you can see the other video on how to do this. Once you have your R installed, you want to install the package RSelenium, because RSelenium also use other third-party packages, so you have to install the dependencies. To do that, you can refer to our GitHub website and check out the script. If you go to our GitHub website, you scroll down, and here I want you to install the dependencies for RSelenium using this command. And this essentially download and install those dependencies that RSelenium needed. Because we have already installed this, so nothing to install at this time. Once that is done, I want you to go to the most recent installed R. If you remember in the other video, we go to this folder, programs, and Bing. You type R, and then you type install packages RSelenium. They will ask you for mirror. Usually just select one. And RSelenium is installed. To use RSelenium, you also need, probably it's a good idea to use Google Chrome. To do that, you go to first find your internet browser. By default in this system is Firefox. So you use that and navigate to google.com. I believe is Chrome, and you just click on download, and you can choose 64-bit, accept and install. You can type save file. What this does is it will save Google Chrome by default in your downloads folder. And if you go back to your Google Cloud terminal, go to downloads, and you'll see the package was already downloaded. To install this, you can type sudo dpkg I means -I means install, and you and this will install Google Chrome on your computer, on your Google Cloud VM.